In this video I'm going to set up a 5-layer print job for my Canon Colorado M series using Onyx 25. So the first thing I need to do is go to Open. I'm going to find a job that will be applicable to this. So I'm going to use a double-sided job, which is just a 2-page PDF. I'm going to open that up. So with it being a 5-layer print with a block out in there, we can use a different file on the front and on the back of our job. I'm going to right click, I'm going to go to Job Properties, and I'm going to go down to my 3-layer because it uses the same sort of settings for that, but we're going to change that in a little bit. So 3-layer specialty. I'm also going to say print using multiple print layers, and I'm just going to press OK. So you'll see that my job has gone from the 2 pages to the 1 page there. I'm going to right click. I'm going to go to my Edit, Printer Settings. Now in here, this is where I need to do that setup. So I'm going to center my job. I'm then going to go to where it says Define Layers. I'm going to go to Custom. I'm going to go to Customize. And I'm going to choose how my job is going to look. So I need to use multiple pages because I have a 2-page PDF. I want the bottom page to be page 1. The top page, layer 5, is going to be page 2. The bottom one needs to be mirrored because that's going to be viewed through the adhesive, and the top one doesn't. I'm also going to change so it says print label and marks on the top layer because that's the one that's going to be visible to my cutter if I have that on there. Then I need to do layer 2, which will be a white spot data, sorry, a white flood fill data. Layer 4 will also be a white flood fill data, and layer 3 will also be then a block out. Now with layer 3, you could bring in a 3-page PDF. You could then use CMYUK data again and then tell it to use page 3, and that could be then a full CMYUK black for more dense block out in the middle. And that's it. So I can now press OK. I can press OK again. And we now have a 5-layer job setup. And I know it's all correct because on my preview on this side, we can now view those layers. So I'm going to expand my preview, make it a bit bigger. There we go. And I'm currently on layer 1. I can look at layer 2, 3, 4, and 5. So that's how we set up, and let's reverse as well. So that's how we set up a 5-layer print job for our Canon Colorado using Onyx 25.